Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to add more than one photo to Instagram Story in a quick and simple way. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all story features are available, and make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward. Step 2, tap on your story at the top of the screen. This option lets you create a new story and is the main entry point for adding photos or videos. Step 3, tap Select. This allows you to choose content manually instead of taking a new photo, which is useful when you already have pictures saved on your phone. Step 4, tap on the photos you want to add to your story. You can select multiple photos at the same time. Step 5, tap Next to upload your story selection. This moves your chosen photos to the editing screen where you can arrange them properly. Step 6, tap Layout. This feature helps you organize multiple photos neatly on one story screen, making your story look clean and well structured. Step 7, tap the right arrow and then share the story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials like this.